Tips to help create an effective email marketing campaign. You've heard of spam, but do you really know what it is? Even more important is knowing how to avoid the perception that your email marketing campaign is spam. If you'd like to learn how to create emails which market your products without being thrown into a junk folder, read on. Develop a consistent format and schedule for your marketing emails. By doing this, your customers will learn when and what to expect. Find a professional template that suits your business and use it every time. Alert your customers to the most relevant information at the beginning of the email. Continue offering incentives to customers after they sign up for your email list. For example, give customers a 10% discount if they remain on your email list for a month. This keeps customers from losing interest in your marketing materials and unsubscribing or deleting your emails after just a couple of newsletters. To keep your email recipients engaged, use various sequences for different types of readers. For example, if you get an email address from a sale, that customer should receive a very distinctive welcoming email than a reader whose email you received from a lead. If readers aren't getting what they want from emails, then they simply won't read them. Consistency is key. For every email, use the same colors and logos. See to it that the font you're using is readable. Soon, your readers will recognize the emails you send out and look forward to watching them. When your customers are familiar with your emails, it makes the marketing more effective. Now that you know how to create a well-received email campaign which will bring your sales pitch to your target audience, go for it. Use all of the techniques you've watched here and you'll be well on your way to increasing profits and driving traffic to your site again and again. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.